TikTok just offered to match my ad spend dollar for dollar up to $6,000. So I have not run TikTok ads before. So today I'm going to walk through the entire platform on camera, the sign up, the dashboard, the campaign builder, and exactly how the spend match offer works. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is worth claiming for your business. So I've run a lot of Google ads before. I've run a lot of Facebook ads, but I am older. I don't use TikTok very much, and I've not touched TikTok advertising, even though it's a gold mine right now. So I want to give this a genuine first look. So I want to set this up for my web design business, JP Web, very creative name, I know. But we build websites for small businesses for $49 a month. We build the website and then we host them for you. And I say we, that's me and a bunch of AI agents. But my ad creative isn't quite ready, but we're going to still set up the full walkthrough and I'll start some ads, some TikTok ads toward my website. And then if you want a follow-up video on how those ads perform, we can do that. So first thing to clear up, most people think that TikTok ads mean you just hit promote on one of your TikToks, on one of your videos, but that's a different product. We're talking about TikTok Ads Manager. So that's the real business advertiser platform. People forget that TikTok is an advertising platform. You can promote your business on there. TikTok has 170 million users in the US. Ads Manager is a full funnel awareness, consideration, conversion, all in one place. Their Smart Plus AI handles a lot of the targeting work automatically for you, which matters if you don't want to spend a lot of hours, tweaking audience parameters. And in a lot of ways, TikTok is untapped. Google Ads has been around for a really long time. Almost everybody's advertising on there. Same with Facebook. It's been around quite a while and people know and are using that. But TikTok is newer and there's not as many businesses on there. It's not as saturated. So it could be a really good opportunity. So right now is a great time to try it out because they are trying to encourage people to use the platform. So they're matching your ad spend, again, dollar for dollar. So you spend $200, TikTok gives you $200. You spend $500, TikTok gives you $500. If you spend $6,000, TikTok will give you $6,000. So that's a great deal. You're basically getting half price ads. So that's a great time to get started. So, and I love that you can start low. $200 where you get $400 worth of ads is a great way to test this out to see if it'll work for your business. So you do have to sign up through a partner link. Mine's down in the description if you want this match deal. All right, so I'm signed up. I'm in here. Welcome to TikTok for Business, a company website. You created a company first. I'm going to call it JP Web. Again, that's an engineer's way of naming a company. Just my name and then web. Industry, I'm going to put PC Web. Contact name, I'll put James Pelton. Business center name, JP Web. Ad account name, JP Web. And I will join the beta tester program. Oh, JP Web is already taken. What about JP Web? JP Web Design. All right, so then if you've done advertising before, this probably looks familiar. But first you set your advertising objectives. So are you wanting brand awareness? Are you wanting sales? Or are you wanting leads? So for this particular one, I'm really wanting just sales. I'm wanting people to sign up for my web design business. And then each of these has subcategories. So if you're wanting brand awareness, what are you wanting? Are you wanting just traffic to your website? Are you wanting more views on your videos, community interaction like comments on your videos? If you're wanting sales, is it a TikTok shop or is it website conversions? Mine's going to be website conversions. Then you also can do leads. So if you're doing a higher ticket offer, most people, if you're charging $2,000 or something for a coaching program, people are probably not going to just click an ad and then pay $2,000. For something lower ticket, like what I'm doing, it might work okay, but a lot of times you're better off just getting leads that you can schedule a call with or something like that and do the actual, people buy from those that they know, like, and trust. And that's hard to do just from an ad. So again, lead generation is often the best way is you just get people who are kind of interested and then you can outreach to them, get them on an email drip campaign or schedule a call with them. But I'm going to do sales website conversion. Then you can name your campaign if you're going to be doing different campaigns, which I would recommend. Like try out different things and kind of see what's working. Then you need to set up your TikTok pixel onto your website. So if you're running e-commerce, it's really easy. If you have Google Tag Manager, which most websites do, it's pretty easy. You also can just set it up manually, like in the code on your website. Really not very hard to get set up. And setting up that TikTok pixel gives you way better data into, how many people visited, how many people actually clicked, how many people actually submitted the form. So you'll see, if you start testing different ads, you'll see, oh, this ad performed a lot better, which when you're putting money into something like this, that's what you want. You want good data and want to know exactly the journey people are taking, exactly where your money's going. So, and then targeting, is going to see this ad? And you can do custom and kind of, set it up yourself. Like you can show exactly where you want your ads to show up, but they recommend doing automatic. So they have all these algorithms in place to make sure your ads are shown to the right people. So it's better just to use their data and just automatically show who they think is going to convert the best. So then on this step, you can connect your TikTok account. I don't actually have a TikTok account. I should create one. Actually, I think I do have one. I remember getting on once when TikTok was first starting. But here you can connect your TikTok account, and that lets you use your TikTok posts as ads. So then you connect your TikTok account and select the destination URL. Then you can add creatives. So again, I have a lot of videos on, using AI to make creatives. You can just record your face, honestly, just explaining what your business does. A lot of different ways to get ads. And you can upload an image, you can upload video, whatever you want to use as an ad. And again, check out some of my other videos. You can use AI to make some pretty cool ads. You add some text to the ad and then a call to action. So maximize performance by automatically showing different call to actions text to different users. So different users respond differently to different calls to action. So they have a whole bunch here. If you don't like, experience now, just take that out. So if you're doing just an image or something simple, they'll want you to upload some music to go along with it. Just make it a little bit more enticing. But really just an image with some background music is kind of the bare minimum. Like that's pretty easy to get started. So again, targeting, we're going to do automatic. Your budget, they recommend $91 a day. If you want to start smaller, that's fine. You can even do custom. You'll get better data, obviously, the bigger the budget that you put in there. But let's say I want $20 a day. And then the schedule continue for at least 7 days. So then you just add billing information and you are set up. You are now a TikTok advertiser and your dashboard will start showing you the cost, how many people saw the ad, how many people clicked on it. You get good data from this. If it's a terrible ad, you'll probably get impressions and not a lot of clicks. If your landing page isn't good, you'll get a lot of clicks, but not a lot of actual signups. And so that's all good data that you'll start getting. So let me know if you want to see a video too with how these ads actually perform, if this is a topic that you guys are interested in. But I do want to recommend, if you haven't thought about using TikTok as an advertising platform, it's not as saturated as Facebook and Google. This is a good time to go try it out. And again, they're really trying to entice people to come use it with this match. You basically get double your ad spend. So again, link down below, go try it out. Let me know in the comments if you're trying it out. I would love to see. So, and shout out to TikTok for partnering with me on this video. I do a lot of videos about how to start businesses, how to build software, how to build businesses. But I want to do more videos on showing how to get an audience to see your app that you built or your business that you started or your side hustle that you started. It takes some umption to build, but once you have it built, then you need to get eyes on it. So this is kind of step 2, and I think TikTok is a great place for you to start. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all, and have a great rest of your day.